In this video, I want to talk about who my school community is for, what you will receive on a daily basis as a school community member, what you will receive just for signing up today, and the result that the members in the school community have been receiving. So to answer the first question, my school community is for print-on-demand sellers and digital download sellers. So if you're selling print-on-demand on merch, if you're selling print-on-demand on Etsy, or if you're selling print-on-demand on marketplaces like Redbubble, TeePublic, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, etc., then this school community is going to be for you, and you're going to get a lot of value from this community. Now, my school community is also for digital download sellers. So if you're selling digital downloads on Etsy, like PNG files, Tumblr wraps, wall art, or TV frame art, you're also going to get a lot of value from this school community as well. Also, if you're selling on Creative Fabrica or Creative Market, you can use the prompts and niches I give you and sell on those digital download marketplaces also. So that is who my school community is for. It's basically for print-on-demand sellers and digital download sellers. All right, now let's go ahead and answer the second question of what you will receive on a daily basis as a school community member. So the first thing that you're going to receive every day at 6 a.m. is going to be 4 prompts or 4 niches for print on demand. Let me show you what that looks like. So if I just go right here and click on this one. So every day, the first thing I do right when I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, never miss, is I create this post right here where I recommend 4 niches that come with 4 prompts. So if we just click on see more, you're going to see there's niche 1, niche 2, niche 3, and then niche 4. And basically what you have is the niche. So this one is Snow Problemo. And then I let you know whether it's a trending niche or an evergreen niche. If it's trending, I let you know what trend. So we have Christmas. Then here's the link to an actual design that is similar. So you can see that this niche is actually profitable and getting sales. Then we have the prompt, so you can just copy and paste this prompt and pop it into Ideogram. And then here's the second one. So Bro Let Me Cook. It's an evergreen niche. Again, we have the link, the prompt. And then we have the third one, Ask Me About My Coccyx, evergreen niche. Now I check all these prompts for trademark in the 025 category because that's those are the products that I always upload to is clothing. But sometimes there are trademarks in the pop sockets or Tumblr. So I always let you know to not upload if there is a niche that is trademarked in the pop socket category. But all the niches are safe and have been checked for the 025 class for t-shirts. And so here you're going to see these are the 4 niches, the 4 prompts. Then I do have a little disclaimer. And then here you're going to see what the actual niches or the prompts designs look like. So right here is the Snow Problemo one. Next one is going to be Bro Let Me Cook. Here's a funny alien one. And then Treble Maker. Now, usually the niches, I usually try and do 2 trending and 2 evergreen, but just kind of what I see the market is giving me. Sometimes it's all trending, sometimes it's all evergreen, but you'll get a mix. All right, so that is what you're going to receive every day at 6 a.m. And then the next thing that you're going to receive on a daily basis is going to be a little bit later in the afternoon, somewhere between 12 and 2. It just depends what time how bad the traffic is when I pick my son up from school. But let me go back here, and if we go to all, it should do it. But basically at 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock in that time frame, I'm going to put out the prompts and the niches for Etsy for the digital downloads. Now, the way that I do it is that one day it's going to be PNG files, and the next day is going to be Tumblr wraps, and then the third day is going to be TV frame art, and then I start over again. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some PNG files. So right here, this is the one that I did 9 days ago. Now these are for Etsy, so that's why I do them on a white background. So if I had a heart, I'd give it to you 2026, the Christmas one, and this donut one. And basically it's the same thing. I give you the niche name, the prompt, but for these Etsy ones, I actually write out the title and the tags for you. So you can just copy and paste this and pop this right into Etsy. So just really easy. Here is the second PNG niche and prompt 2026. Here's the prompt. You can just copy and paste that, put that into Ideogram. And here you're going to see you have the 4 niches and prompts with titles and tags. And then at the bottom here, you're going to see what the actual designs look like. All right, so that is what you're going to get in the afternoon. Let me see, we can go ahead and take a look at a Tumblr wrap one. So if it would just click, okay, there we go. So here's some Tumblr wraps one that I put out yesterday. So we're going to see a skeleton one. Let's open this up a little bit. And it's the same thing, the niche, the prompt, and then the title and the tags for 4 niches, a little disclaimer, and then here are what the actual designs look like. So this sugar skull one, here's an elephant one, hot air balloon one, and then a dream catcher. If my internet were a little faster, it could load, but you can see these are really nice Tumblr prompts that you can use. for your Etsy business, or even on Creative Fabrica or any other marketplace that sells digital downloads. And then the third one is going to be TV frame art. So here we're going to see, I got some nice ones the other day. So 5 days ago, I put out this post. Now these are TV frame art. So this is what you put like on a Samsung TV. So it doesn't have like a black screen. It looks a little more nice to look at. And we got like these nice oil paintings. This is actually a pretty good niche to get into on Etsy. All right, again, and it's the same thing. Basically, you have the niche, the prompts, the title, and the tag. So every day, 6 a.m., you're going to be getting those POD prompts for print on demand with the niches and the prompts. And then later in the afternoon, you're going to get 4 more prompts for digital downloads for Etsy. It could be PNG files. One day it's going to be PNG files. The next day it's going to be Tumblr wraps. And then the third day it's going to be the TV frame arts. Now let's go ahead and answer the third question of what you will receive as a sign-up bonus just for joining today. So just for joining today, you receive a whole bunch of sign-up bonuses. So this first one is going to be a Merch on Demand mini course. There's a whole bunch of valuable content in here. So here I share with you my A to Z prompt creation, how to write Merch on Demand listings, my 3 evergreen design styles, Merch on Demand ads, how to protect your merch account, how to find trending niches, how to find evergreen niches, proven merch phrases. And all you have to do is you just click on, let me move my face out the way here. So proven merch phrases. So you get 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases, 25 proven job and career phrases. And each one you just click on, and you just click on it, and each one comes with a video. So here you get like a little mini course just for signing up. And let me go back here. Next, there's also a mini course for Etsy. So here I teach you like how to list PNG files, how to create and list TV frame art, also how to list Tumblr wraps, and also how to design seamless Tumblr wraps. That's also important. So that's the second sign-up bonus that you get. And then the next one is going to be, oh, I got an Etsy sale. That was not planned. Okay, so let me go back here to the classroom. And I'm going the wrong direction. Okay, first page. Here we go. Next, you're going to receive print-on-demand prompts, and you get 1,900 print-on-demand prompts just for signing up. So right here, you're going to get monthly prompts. So I have 100 prompts for January, for February, for March. So it doesn't matter what time of the year you become a member, you get 100 prompts for that month. You also have seasonal prompts. So you're also going to get, 30, 100 days of school, Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras, Earth Day, basically all the main holidays, Easter, autism, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, back to school, fantasy football, Veterans Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So those are all included as a sign-up bonus. I even included some wall art prompts. So 25 vintage travel wall art prompts, nursery prompts, botanical wall art prompts, and even 35 coastal cowgirl prompts that you can use. And then the next sign-up bonus that you're going to get is you're going to get access to all of my GPTs, and I'm up to 20 GPTs and counting. So the first ones are going to be the Etsy GPTs. So if we just click on this right here, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 GPTs for Etsy. The most popular, the one that I like the best, is this first one, which is Etsy POD Keyword Lister. So this GPT will actually just write your listings for you. All you have to do is just upload an image or your design basically, and it will write you the title, the tags, and the keywords. I also have one for digital downloads as well. So if you want to do like PNG files, you just upload your PNG file. It will write you the title, the description, and the tags. Also have a couple for how to respond to customers. If you get like an angry customer, how to like respond, correctly, so you don't like get basically triggered and don't involve emotion, and also how to respond to reviews. So those are the 4 Etsy GPTs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the merch GPTs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPTs for merch. And these are all really good. There's a whole bunch of good ones. My favorite one is the one for listing your merch on demand design. So it will write you your title, your brand, your bullet 1, bullet 2, and then a product description. There's also this really good one right here, which is the Evergreen Niche Finder. So this will help you find evergreen niches. I also really like this cross niche generator, or this cross niche GPT, where you just type in a niche, whether it's like nurse or whether it's like tacos, and it will give you 100 cross niche ideas, which is really cool. Also one to like how to do text designs. So a lot of good GPTs for merch on demand. And then I also have these GPTs. This is where the most amount of GPTs are. So if we click on this one, get my face out the way here. We're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 GPTs here. And these are niche GPTs. So like for the Bible niche, these will give you design ideas in the Bible niche, in the teacher niche, in the alien niche. The current members really like these GPTs. So you get all those also as a sign-up bonus. And then next is going to be some Kindle Direct Publishing GPTs. So I also dabble a little bit in KDP. So I have a couple GPTs here for like coloring books, and also for a faith niche GPT also as well. So those are all the GPTs that you receive. I think there's like 20 in total, but you get all of this just for signing up as a sign-up bonus. And then I also have like these coaching. Now you have to pay for these, but like 30-day accountability coach, one-on-one coach, 30-day coach, and then an Etsy shop critique. So those are just paid services that I offer, but this is all that you get for free just for signing up. That's above and beyond the daily niches for both Merch on Demand and for Etsy. All right, now let's get into the fun part where I share with you the results that the school community members in this community have been receiving, because you're probably watching this video because you want to get more sales, whether it's for Merch on Demand or for Etsy. So right here we have one member. Now I basically blocked out their name and profile pic just for their own privacy. But here we got one member saying 46 sales in one day, new record hit. Take a look at the next one. Oops, don't want to delete it. First 100 day of the year, first sale. These are my favorite ones where I get new people coming in here and they end up getting their first sale. It always makes me feel really good. Here we got new record yesterday on Amazon, 10 sales and counting. Here we got my first sale, so another first sale, but for on Etsy, which is really cool. 6 tumbler wraps sold in 3 weeks. And then this last one right here, 2 tumbler wrap sales, and then 3 sales. So you can see a lot of the members in this community are having success and getting results. So those are the answers to the 4 questions. And then just one last little thing, just to kind of close up and talk about the price. It's only $24 a month. You can cancel at any time. You get all of this for $24. So I think it's a really good deal. And I also forgot to mention probably the most important thing, like you get all this value, but the most important thing is that you're part of a community. That's what school is all about, where you can connect and you just don't feel alone on this print on demand journey. When I first started print on demand, there was only like Facebook groups. And honestly, every time you ask a question on a Facebook group, it seems like you get like a smart ass answer. There's not that too much support, and people aren't as friendly. Here on school, it is the exact opposite. Everybody is supporting you. They want to see you succeed. You get good answers to your questions, and you just don't feel alone on this print on demand or this digital download journey. So if you want to be part of this community, I would love to see you on the inside. So if this is something that interests you, just go ahead and click that 24 a month purchase button. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the inside. Adios.